Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that centralizes subscriptions. Open Settings and tap your name now. Once done, tap Subscriptions to load every recurring in-app purchase tied to this Apple ID, active and expired. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password so the list shows. This step matters because canceling here updates billing immediately for Apple. It prevents future charges rather than refunding past ones, so make sure you're on the correct account. Now tap the exact subscription you want to cancel and read the details. Look at the renewal date and price so you know when charges would have resumed. If you see Cancel Subscription or Cancel Free Trial, tap it. Apple keeps the service active until the period ends. Make sure you're canceling the right line when multiple devices or family sharing are involved, because canceling the wrong item won't stop the one you intended. If there's no cancel button, that tells you it's already set to end. Tap Confirm to cancel and listen for the on-screen confirmation. Apple also emails a cancellation receipt, save it. Once canceled, the subscription remains active until the period expires. You won't be billed again. If the cancel option is missing, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or open the App Store, tap your profile, then Subscriptions to retry. As a troubleshooting tip, if charges already occurred or the subscription persists, contact Apple support with the invoice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.